back at the famous dog park here in Ponoka. Temperature has warmed up by about 30 degrees warmer now. That's no joke. It's minus 40 a couple of days we were here. And today it's only minus 10 right now. 10 or 11, minus 10 or 11. Imagine 30 degree temperature difference and we still are minus 10 or 11. It's crazy. So we do our daily routine, dog park. The girls got to get their energy out, otherwise they drive me nuts. Here, drop it. You ready? So, as we all know, the last couple months have been focused on weekly chemo treatments to try and help stave off further bladder cancer issues. And it wasn't rough, I'll say. It's just this chemo regime isn't quite as harsh as previous treatments I've done. Especially the last one that was focused on the bladder is the BCG therapy. That one was really painful. I would have rather had a flu the entire 2.5 years I did that, I think, instead of just every couple of weeks. It was awful. Body pains, aches, chills. Felt like glass whenever I went to the washroom. So yeah, no good. But this treatment, the side effects are relatively minimal. Little physical tenderness from the catheter insertion and removal, and then I have to hold the medication in my bladder for an hour and a half for the first one in hospital, and then an hour and a half to 2 hours for the second one after I leave. But now we've gone through the 6 weekly treatments and we're switching up to once a month for the next 2 years with cystoscopies every 3 months, I think. So right now I'm on what I guess you could call a break. And I'll be having a cystoscopy come the end of February 26th. And then I'll be in for March 7th, I believe it is my next treatment. And then every month-ish from there on. So yes, I won't say it's going to be easy. It's still going to be a pain in the ass. Yeah, we'll just say pain in the ass. More than I'm still having to do it. But I'm still also the one telling these stories, right? So, not entirely bad, I suppose. Grin and bear it. And the dogs just lost the ball. Good thing they're in the right area and I was kind of watching. Find it! So yeah, that's where we're at. Now on once monthly for the next couple of years. Oh, Piper found it! The ball's collecting snow and ice and slobber.